Hi YouTube. This is N3SDO. I had a LED bulb fail recently in the 2-bulb lamp next to the sofa. It began to flicker occasionally and turned out the threaded base on the bulb had separated from the body, and it was only being held together by 2 wires. Curious as to what's in this LED bulb, I have performed a teardown and design analysis of this bulb. This failed bulb is a Future Lumen 15 watt. Initial examination revealed that the plastic between the threaded base and the rest of the bulb assembly had decayed and become crumbly and unable to support the weight of the bulb in a horizontal position such as my sofa lamp. With a heavy application of tender loving brute force, I separated the base from the bulb body. The plastic from the base had become brittle and was breaking into small chunks. The plastic inside the threaded base appears to have been longer and protruded into the body of the bulb and was glued in place. It appears that the glue used in the manufacturing assembly caused the deterioration and brittleness of the plastic. Getting into the bulb was not easy. The white base exterior is aluminum. The clear plastic dome is quite strong. Interesting LED array under the dome. The circuit board was in good shape and no signs of overheating. I was curious what happened with 61 volts DC applied to the AC input. It lit up and the board did not smoke. Bob's my uncle. More disassembly, the screws did not release anything, they appear to be there to hold things while a glue or resin cures. I'm unable to pry the plates up. Cutting the DC wires at the top of the LED array allowed me to extract the board. No burn marks or signs of overheating inside the tube either, just some RTV adhesive. The board looks okay also. A basic design but well made. A 470 microfarad 63 volt capacitor across the LED array circuit implies a 60-ish volt drive to the LEDs but does not leave a lot of design margin. I'm running the LED array on my DC supply again. It only goes to 61 volts max, but was still not driving the LEDs to full brightness. I expect I need to push it another volt or two. I expect that 63 volt capacitor is going to be the thing that will fail first, if the plastic holds up longer than this one. I will have to do a bulb inspection around the house from time to time to make sure this is not happening to other fixtures. I hope you have found this interesting. 73. N3SDO. Signing off.